Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and this is the time of the year when we are actually wishing everybody something good. And of course, as we change to 2020 today, as the world is slowly celebrating the arrival of not just a new year, but a new decade, we of course are here to stay as long as we can to help out with your technology with Windows, answer questions, and hopefully have even more and more interesting videos in the year 2020. I want to wish everybody the best for 2020. Health, happiness, and to you, your family, and friends. I want to thank everybody, because every single people that watched videos, every single people that interacted with me, without all of you, this channel would not exist, and it wouldn't be something that I am committed to and actually want to post even more information and try to, with all the new things happening and new versions of Windows and technology changing all the time, it's my commitment to try to help out and explain in what is the most down-to-earth way all of this technology to you guys, so that you can understand what exactly is happening and help out in times when problems arise. So of course, this is continuing through 2020 with more videos, and hopefully you'll enjoy the content and continue following me on this channel. Happy New Year, everybody. Hope that it's the best, and go easy on the celebrations, so that we can start a good start to the new year coming up. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.